like sitting around on these warm summer nights, drinking a nice cold glass of tea, watching the hummingbirds? Since this wonderful glass hummingbird feeder was sent to me, I can now show you how I make the nectar to attract the hummingbirds. It's a pretty simple process. It's 4 parts water, 1 part sugar. Just use regular sugar. Don't add any dyes. Here I am. I put 1 cup of warm water and a 1/4 cup of sugar. The only reason I use warm water, it helps dissolve the sugar. It's pretty easy. You just stir it in, let it sit a little bit, and stir some more. That's all it takes. It's a pretty simple process. So with the hummingbird feeder all washed out because it was brand new, we're going to go ahead and take the nectar we made up and just pour it in this nice wide opening here. On some of my other hummingbird feeders, this fill point was pretty small. So now that we have that on there, we take this metal lid. It's got your flowers in it, brass fittings. Put that on. Your plastic bottom just screws right on. It's pretty simple. So Grete Gotye was nice enough to send me a 2-pack of these here glass hummingbird feeders. So if you guys like and subscribe, I'll figure out how I could send this to one of you. It'll be in a future video, so be on the lookout.